So now we took a graduated cylinder and filled it with 21 milliliters of water. Now we're going to take the cubic centimeter and we're going to put it in the 21 milliliters of water and see how much the water level rises or goes up. Remember, we started at 21 and it went up to what? What's the volume now? We can see here, by dropping that 1 cubic centimeter cube in there, we made the water level go up by 1 milliliter. Now we have 22 milliliters of water, and Miss Stevens is going to drop another cube in there and watch how much the water level goes up. What's the water level now? So we can see there's a pattern here. Every time we put a 1 cubic centimeter block into water, it makes the water level rise by 1 milliliter. Using that pattern, predict how much the water level will go up when Miss Stevens drops this cube into water.
So, those little cubes pushed water away that equaled how much space they took up, right?
Right.
It was like me going into the pool. When I go into the pool, the water and me can't be in the same place. So my body pushed the water away that equaled the amount of space my body took up. So
Right.
that's what happened here.
Yep.
So they were in a certain place and then they displaced the water, meaning they pushed the water away from where it was before to another place. They displaced the water.
Right.
The water used to be down here, then you put 1 cube in and it displaced it to up there. Then 2 cubes displaced it to up there.
Nice. And so 2 objects can't occupy the same space at the same time.
Right.
So they push one of the objects out of the way. And in this case, they're pushing away a volume of water equal to 1 cubic centimeter, which is also equal to 1 milliliter of water.